Holders of XRP have been particularly anxious about the future of the XRP price ever since the XRP won the lawsuit against the SAC. This is because the litigation was filed against the SAC. Since people have been hanging on to the XRP coin for a number of years, it is now time to start making a profit from it. Therefore, at this very moment, we are going to investigate the future of the price of XRP, which is predicted by a significant crypto analytical firm. Ripple, the owner of XRP, is getting ready for some activities that will take place in the short term. There may be a momentary rise in the value of the currency before it begins to decline once more. As we look to the future, there is anticipation that there will be a stronger rise towards 75 cents to 85 cents. This is the optimistic situation. Despite this, the ongoing disagreement with the SEC will be a crucial factor in determining the destiny of the company. XRP has been fluctuating between the high range of 66 cents to 75 cents and the accumulation zone from 33 cents to 46 cents, according to Cheeky Crypto, an expert. The high range of 66 cents to 75 cents is the highest. It has been the case for a considerable amount of time now. The continuation of this behavior, which is restricted to a particular range, will continue until there is a greater level of clarification on the legal landscape. According to the market movement, it seems as though XRP may have an upward breakthrough, which might potentially contradict the negative expectations that were previously held. This is because the market move made it appear as though XRP may experience an upward breakout. In the next possible target range, which may be anywhere between 60 cents and 61 cents, there is a possibility that the price will continue to fall. At the micro period, XRP is displaying a bullish structure, which is distinguished by a strong low and a weak high. This structure represents a positive trend. It is clear from this that there is a possibility that there will be further opportunities for the price to continue to increase. After the subsequent move, which may see XRP touching the region of 60 cents to 61 cents before continuing, it is anticipated that a rejection from the negative trend line will take place. However, this is not guaranteed. On the daily and weekly timeframes of the Stochastic Relative Strength Index, overbought circumstances are prevalent and the downward trend line has consistently acted as a barrier to entry. This has been the case for quite some time. Taking all of this into consideration, it would appear that the market is on the approach of experiencing a move that is to the downside. If it is unable to hold its support level between 51 cents and 52 cents, XRP may fall below 47 cents, which would be in line with the lower limit of the wedge. This would be the case if it is unable to maintain its current level. Even though bearish indications are arriving in the short term, the overall corrective pattern suggests that there will be a breakout in the medium run towards the range of 75 cents to 85 cents. This is the case, even though, in the short term, bearish signs are developing. The experts, on the other hand, claim that looking ahead, assuming that the SEC matter is handled in Ripple's favor, XRP may potentially target between 59 cents and $11 by the year 2022. This is based on the assumption that the SEC issue is addressed in Ripple's favor. At the moment, the well-known cryptocurrency known as XRP is witnessing a gain of approximately 7.0%. Since the beginning of the week, there has been a bullish trend in the price of the token, and as we move into the weekend, this upward trend is expected to continue. Furthermore, this pattern has not been overlooked by anyone, including the most prominent analysts inside the Bitcoin industry. Due to the circumstances, the prices of the cryptocurrency reached a level of 6 cents per XRP. This was the effect of the situation. From the beginning of this year, the token has already been trading at this level. However, as a result of the most substantial shakeup in the market in a considerable amount of time and against the backdrop of geopolitical uncertainty, it fell below this mark and has only now rebounded to its prior level following the move. This increase fits perfectly into what is perhaps the most prevalent narrative surrounding XRP right now, which is occurring at a time when the cryptocurrency is getting set for what could be the biggest massive price breakout in the history of the globe. This is the fundamental reason, and it is revealed by the massive bullish triangle pattern that the price of XRP has been drawing since as far back as 2018. In conclusion, this is the cause. In the previous case, when something like had place, the price of the cryptocurrency that is commonly used climbed by around 60,000% in a space of time that was little longer than 300 days. There is a probability that this will happen once more, taking into mind the fact that XRP is currently a cryptocurrency asset that has a market valuation of more than $30 billion. A scenario like this is extremely improbable. In the event that the price of XRP were to increase by thousands of percent, the entire value of the cryptocurrency would be in the billions of dollars. Because of this, it would be exceedingly difficult to know how much XRP is worth. This is where we find ourselves, despite the fact that Bitcoin, the most renowned cryptocurrency, has a market cap of $1.21 trillion. Despite this, it is still projected that XRP will continue to expand. This is the case not only by huge analysts who evaluate the chart of the token without any bias, but also by enthusiasts who draw crazy parabolas on the price chart. Both of these perspectives contribute to the same conclusion. As a consequence of this, it will be extremely interesting to see what the future holds for the cryptocurrency that is presently placed 7th in terms of demand. An analyst made a comparison between the bull run that XRP saw in 2017 and the current potential climb, which shows that another possible rise may occur. The price of XRP might hit $50. Speculation has been promoted as a result of the partial victory of XRP against the SEC and the good sentiment of the market, according to the projections of another analyst based on its history and its exponential growth. This statement is based on the fact that XRP has experienced exponential development. A decline from its daily highs has been observed in the trading of XRP, which has been seen trading in a sideways pattern in recent times. Despite this, analysts continue to maintain their belief that the cryptocurrency that is being priced at the time that this article is being written possesses potential. Over the course of the preceding 24 hours, there has been a decline in price of 0.16, even though there has been a 5% increase in price over the course of the last week. Many analysts, including Makatakexi, believe that there is the potential for yet another significant bull run in the near future. This is especially true when taking into consideration the patterns that have developed from the previous performance of XRP assets. Within the framework of history, the XRP bull run of 2017, during the course of the bull run that took place in 2017, XRP had one of the most substantial percentage increases among the primary cryptocurrencies. When compared to its previous value of around 0.05 cents, the value of XRP increased to $3, which is equivalent to a gain of more than $76,000. An extensive market interest, in addition to advances within Ripple, such as collaborations and the promise of its technology for worldwide payments, were the key elements that caused the surge. Ripple's technology has the potential to facilitate international payments. According to projections made by Makatak XRP, if TRP were to undergo a run comparable to the one it had in 2024 or 2025, it might potentially reach new heights. His calculations suggest that the price of XRP might theoretically reach $456 if it were to increase by $76,000 once more, starting at $0.60. This would be a hypothetical scenario. This comparison, which is based on historical data and the sentiment of the market, implies that individuals who do not possess XRP may be missing out on potential gains. This conclusion is based on the information that is available. Furthermore, he notes that the projections for the year 2024 range from a cautious expansion to the likelihood of reaching or exceeding sums of $1 to $133. This means that the growth estimate is quite broad. The assertion that the International Monetary Fund has already fixed the price of XRP in the thousands is possibly the most striking announcement that has emerged from XRP Avengers once again. This is contingent upon a number of variables, including market uptake and becoming the next Bitcoin on steroids. This procedure was compared to the goal-setting mechanism utilized by the London Bullion Market Association in a tweet that was sent out not too long ago. According to this analogy, if it is accurate, it suggests that international financial institutions have a level of monitoring and planning that has never been seen before in the history of cryptocurrencies. Despite this, it is not entirely obvious how deeply this is embedded in the actual world. The first claim that has to be investigated is the one that asserts the price of XRP has been determined by either the Bank for International Settlements or the International Monetary Fund. It should be noted that the material that has been supplied is not intended to serve as business advice. In the event that any investor